Right. Greetings, fellow grade 11s. It's Mr. Shajaw here, and welcome to Back to Basics. Now, so basically what we are looking at now, we are examining our exponents and surds, and this is going to be our November 2022 paper from the Gauteng province, right? This is going to be from the Gauteng province that it was written. Now, let's see. In this question 2, they want you to simplify without using the calculator. Now, what is it that you are going to do if we are simplifying without the use of a calculator? I want us to start here. Here you are given that you are having 1 over your 3 to the power of n subtract 1, and this is going to be multiplied by 1 over 3 to the power of what? 3, this is n plus 1, right? Close bracket. All of this is to the power of 1 over n. Now, how can you start solving this? Now, the easier thing that you can do probably, let's just write these as negative exponents, which means this is going to be 3 to the power of what? Negative n, right? This is going to be 3 to the power of negative n, isn't it so? Because we are interchanging this, right? We are taking the denominator and we are writing it into a numerator, right? So this is going to be multiplied by, this is going to be 3 to the power of negative n, subtract 1. All of these is close bracket to the power of 1 over n. I want to get. And now from here, what is it that you're going to have? Now from here, let's see. You are multiplying powers of the same base. So you must add the exponents, right? So if you are multiplying powers of the same base, now you are going to add the exponent. So now, which means this is going to be 3. You are going to say negative 1 plus, negative n plus negative n, which is going to be same as negative 2n. And then after that, you're going to say what? This is going to be 1 and negative 1 plus 1. This is going to be same as what? This is going to be same as your 0, right? So which means basically here, this is going to be to the power of negative 2n all the way to the power of what? 1 over n. And now that you have this is still the same as what? Now this is still going to be the same as 3 to the power of negative 2n multiplied by 1 over your n. Now, which means this n and this n are going to cancel each other. So which means the answer that you are going to have is going to be 3 to the power of negative 2. Now, because we want this positive exponent, this is going to be 1 over 9. Are we okay? So this is going to be you getting your 3 marks, right? Now let's move to the second question. Look, this one, I know most of you are looking at this and you are thinking in terms of what is this now, right? Now let's just see in terms of what is it that you can do from on this one, right? So you are having a root of this, your cube root of 27 squared. This is going to be subtract your 2 over what? This is going to be your 8 to the power of negative 2 over your 3. This is going to be plus root what? This is root 5. This is 2 over what? This is going to be 4 to the power of negative 2 over your 5. Okay. So basically, this is what you are given. Now, what is the first thing that you can probably do here? Now let's see. So now the easier thing that you can, easily do here to try and solve this particular question, you are going to start here. Right? Now, you are going to say, what is going to be all these, right? Now, if you can solve this, remember here you are having root 3, 27 squared. Now, what is all going to be this? Now, for an example, if you can start here, what is going to be your root of 27 squared? Now, remember here, let's see, what is it that you're going to have here? Now, let's start. Now, what is going to be your 27? Right? What is going to be a 27? So let's start here. This is going to be same as, now if you want to get rid of all these things, what is it that you're going to do? You can simply just start here. What is 27? Remember, 27 is given by what? 27 is given by your what? Your 3 squared, right? Or your 3 cubed, right? This is going to be your 3 cubed multiplied by your 2. Altogether, all of these, this is going to be your cube root of that, right? Altogether. Now, this is something like that. And now, remember, these 3 also can still be moved. So, which means this is going to be same as what? This is still going to be same as your 3. This is going to be still the same as 3 multiplied by 6 to the power of what? 1 over 3. Remember that one, you can still write it in terms of 1 over 3. Okay. So, basically, this is going to be your what? this is going to be that. So which means here you can still write this in terms of your what? This is going to be your 3 to the power of 6 close bracket 1 over your 3. Subtract, what else are you going to have? What is going to be this 8? So this is going to be 2 over your what? Remember, you know that your 8 is 2 squared, or rather 2 cubed. So this is going to be 2 cubed. Subtract 2 over what? Over your 3, plus what is going to be your fifth root of 2. So this is same as what? You can still literally represent your 2 as 2 to the power of what? 1 over 5, right? Now, and now this is going to be divided by what? What is 4? 4 is same as what? It's same as 2 squared to the power of what? Negative 2 over 5. Now that you are having this, now you are going to multiply here. When you say, let's say when you're having 6 multiplied by 1 over 3, obviously here it's going to be 3 here, once, 3 here. I mean twice here, once here, which means it's going to be 2, right? Okay. So which means here the answer that you're having here, this is going to be 3 squared. Now this is going to be subtract 2 over, now what is going to your denominator here? So you are having your what? You're having 3 multiplied by negative 2 over 3. These are going to cancel, which means this is going to be negative 2. So this is going to be 2 to the power of negative 2. Okay, that is going to be your answer. And this is going to be plus, the other one is same as what? And this is same as 2 to the power of what? 1 over 5 divided by here. You are having what? 2, the last one is going to be 2 multiplied by negative 2 over 5. Here it's simply what? 2 multiplied by 2 is going to be negative 4 over 5. Okay, so this is going to be same as 2 to the power of what? Negative 4 over your what? Over your 5. Okay, so basically that is going to be that. Now, let's continue and see in terms of what is it that you are having here. Now, if you solve this, what is going to be your 3 squared? This is same as what? This is same as your 9. Now, you are dividing powers of the same base. Now, you are dividing 2 divided by 2 to the power of negative 2. So, you're going to take all these to the top, right? So, this is going to be 2 to the power of what? Remember here, it's same as what? This is same as what? Subtract your what? Subtract your negative 2, which means this is going to be same as what? As your 3. Okay, so which means this is going to be subtract 2 to the power of what? To the power of your 3, right? And now from here, what else now are you going to have? Now here you are having what? 2 to the power of 1 over 5. This is going to be subtract. You're going to take this into your numerator. And when you are taking that to your numerator, this is going to be same as 1 subtract your what? 4 over what? Your 4 over your 5. Okay. And now, what is going to be what? Subtract your 4 over 5. Remember, this is going to be what? Let's see. Now, remember, you are dividing powers of the same base. This is going to be what? You're going to subtract the exponent. So this is going to be given in terms of what? This is going to be same as what? Here, let's see whether did I not miss anything here. Now, so remember here, yes, this was negative, right? So when you say this is negative 4, right? So yes, this is going to be 2 now into 1 over 5 plus 4 over your 5. Now this is the same thing though. This is going to be 5, 1 plus 4, which is going to be 5 over 5, which is going to be close to 1. So which means this is 2 to the power of 1, right? So this is going to be same as plus 2 to the power of 1. And now what is going to be that? This is same as 9, subtract your 8 plus your what? Plus your 2. And the answer that you are going to have here is going to be same as what? This is going to be your 3. Okay. So basically, this is how you are going to solve this question. Now, let's look at now your 2.2 where you are solving for x, then we are done, right? Now let's look at that one. Let's just make up our space here so that we can solve for that one. Okay. Now, let's see. Here you are having what? Here you are having your 2, you are having your 3 to the power of 2, subtract what? Subtract x plus what? Plus 8, right? Is equals to what? Is equals to 3 to the power of x. Okay. Now, I know that there are many ways in which you can solve this, right? Now, so one of us, we can solve this, right? Now you can start by solving this like that. This is same as 2 to the power of what? I mean, 3 to the power of what? 2 multiplied by what? 3 to the power of negative x. Isn't it so? right? Now this is going to be plus 8 is equals to 3 to the power of what? 3 to the power of x, right? Now I want to make this 3 to the power of x to be positive, right? So this is going to be 3 squared over your what? Over your 3 to the power of x plus what? Plus 8 is equals to 3 to the power of x, right? Now that you are having this, I just want to let your k to be equals to 3 to the power of x, which means now here this is going to be same as 3 squared over your k plus what? Plus 8 is equals to k. Now, what is it that you're going to do? Now you're going to get rid of this denominator. Now, what is 3 squared? Let's just fix this. This is going to be 9. So this is going to be 9. And now, in order for you to fix this, you are going to multiply everything by k. Now, when you multiply everything by k here, the 9 is going to remain on its own. The k is going to be cancelled, right? So this is going to be plus 8k, right? Plus, or rather is equals to your k squared. Okay. Now, which means now from here, what is it that you're going to do? This is going to be k squared, subtract your 8k, subtract your 9 is equal to 0. So basically what I did, I just took all of these to the side. Okay. And now, then from that, what else now are you going to have? Now from here, now that you're having this, now you're going to factorize, obviously, right? Now, when you're factorizing, what is it that you're going to have that it can give you your 8? So this is going to be k, this is going to be your 9 and 1, right? So this, if you make this negative and this positive, you're definitely going to get negative 9, negative 8k rather, right? So your k is going to be equals to 1, or your k is going to be equals to, or rather this your k is going to be equal to negative 1, or k is going to be equal to positive 9, right? Now that you're having that, you can come back and substitute where there is k. Remember, this is going to be same as 3 to the power of x is equals to negative 1, or your what? Or this is going to be same as your what? This is same as 3 to the power of x is equals to what? Is equals to 9. Now, obviously here, there is no solution that you're going to find here altogether. So this is non-applicable. And now from here, this is going to be same as 3 to the power of x is equals to what is 9? 9 is same as 3 squared, right? So this is going to be same as what? X is going to be equals to your 2. Okay, so basically now this is going to be the value of your x that you're looking for. Hopefully this makes sense to you now. And thank you very much.